If you want to find tutors on Preply, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, sign in with your account. I'm going to use Facebook for that step. Double click to confirm that you want to log in with your Facebook account, right? Continue, and then double click to continue, and basically you're going to log in immediately to Preply, okay? And now if you want to find your teachers or your tutors, sorry, you're going to be able to find them from the search right here at the bottom left. So you don't need to do anything. You will be actually shown from here, okay? Select your tutor or your teacher and book a trial to basically get to know more about their techniques of learning. If you want to change the language or if the language doesn't suit you or you want to change the language, you change your mind, click the Turkish right here at the top left or any other language, and then select your native or basically the language that you aspire to learn. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.